Welcome back to my channel, Cher here. So today's video is a new series. As you can see, I'm like right in front of my kitchen. I want to get some like prep work started. I recently went to Trader Joe's to pick up some regular grocery items. It's kind of interesting to see like what other people are making. At least I am, you know, I'm always interested to know like what people are making for dinner on a weekday. And so I thought, I don't know, I just want to share like what I make. We will be making a go-to, like one of our go-to pasta. I picked up 2 trays of organic ground chicken. These are 8% fat, 16 ounce per tray. So I picked up 2 trays of this. So it's just really easy, you know, ground chicken, turkey, but for this recipe I use ground chicken. And then I will have parsley. We love parsley, you know, I will be incorporating parsley in this dish. 1 shallot, 1 lemon. You know, this is I can feel it's like a very juicy lemon. So it's one of my favorite pasta that you can get from Trader Joe's. Cascatelli. So really love this pasta. They have another one that's like the pink kind of packaging on top. That one is good too, but I got this one because this one is delicious. It's just really good, you know. Perfect for a weekday pasta dish. So those are all of the ingredients, and I'm gonna get a little chopping going and then we're gonna get started. On the back of the packaging it says 11 minutes, but because we're making this kind of like a dry noodle type, so I will go for like 9 minutes. I'm cooking a big batch, so I'll be putting a lot of pasta in this pot. It's like half a bag. Give it a stir. Set the timer for 9 minutes. Actually, I only used half of the parsley. Washed it. Off the shallot. Cut the stem off a little bit. These we don't want it. And then just chop them. Be able to, before you cut it, you can roll it to make it, you know, to get the juice out. Oil. I have 2 trays. I'm making extra, big batch of it. Okay. We're just like gently like mix the chicken and the shallots. Okay. I'm gonna use this black pepper salt. You know, just add salt and pepper. 1.5. Basil. Okay, a lot of them. So mix it again. Soy sauce from Trader Joe's. I got this one. I never tried their soy sauce, so I don't really know what it's like. I'm just gonna eyeball this, you know, so this will probably be 3 tablespoons of a little more, 3.5 tablespoons. Okay, we'll just put that in there. Let it simmer a little bit. Once the chicken is kind of cooked, put all of your parsley. I'm using just half of what I showed you, so high heat. We're still cooking this, right? Crush the red pepper. So just a little bit. This is optional. Okay. You can tell all of the meat is actually cooked. Everything is like cooked down. Remember the pasta that we make earlier? Dump all of the pasta in there. Stir it. Pasta is already cooked, so just stir a little bit. Okay, once you stir that, this balsamic vinegar, I'm gonna pour this much, 3-4 tablespoons. Okay, do that. Give it a stir. I mean, if you love the flavor, I think I would even put a little more because it's just delicious. Okay, a dash of that. And look at that. This is basically done. Okay, and remember the lemon that we cut? So just squeeze that in there. Squeeze the lemon. I'll just give it a stir. Not dinner yet. I just make this first. I'm gonna do a taste test with like a small bowl of it. Okay, you have to get that parsley. With that shallot. Ooh. Parmesan, you know, grate a little bit of Parmesan cheese on there. But I just like how this is. It's very refreshing. So yeah. Thanks for watching. This is the first episode of Cheril's weekday dinner ideas. Yeah. Thank you for tuning in. Alright. See you in the next one.